Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the language of your tones and voice prompts in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova true wireless earbuds. So at first, open your application. It's called the Armory Crate, and remember, if you want to know how to set up this application with your headphones, you can check our channel because we have a video for that. And so once entered the Armory Crate, open the device manager. Here tap OK and tap the device that pops up, the first one on the list. Here tap this gear icon in the top right corner. Now we are loading, as you can see. And now here we have voice prompt language. If you tap it, we can see prompt sound English or Chinese. To set up, tap OK. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.